Hey guys, had to chip with you. I'm going crazy here. Can you believe it's been a week already? And because it's been a week, okay, we're circling back, right, to our first topic, right, which is the moving parts, and we're just going to try and learn to control those moving parts, okay, a little bit more precisely now. So last week we spoke primarily about controlling three main moving parts. That's rotation, arm swing, okay, and then wrist work. Okay, we're really going to focus on rotation and arm swing today. Okay, so normally I would concentrate on the rotation first because that's kind of the engine room, the driving force of the golf swing, of all the golf shots really. But today we're actually going to concentrate on the arm swing first. Okay, and you'll see why once we get into the second half of the drill. Okay, because we're going to synchronize those two moves. Right, so move nice and parallel here. Now, what I want you to concentrate on is the range of motion of the arm swing. Okay, so I want you to imagine you're in a clock. You're standing inside of a clock. Okay, we've got 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Okay, so we're inside of the clock. And in this drill, the left arm is going to be the hour hand of this clock. Okay, so we're going to start with a little bit of chipping. Okay, so sort of nice narrow stance, leaning on that left side a little bit. Okay, what we're going to try and do, we're going to try and swing this left arm, okay, to 7 o'clock. Okay, and then to 5 o'clock. All right, so get into your setup, into your posture. Right, once you get that right, then we move along the clock face. So we go to 8 and to 4. Okay, here we go. 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay, and then we move into 9 to 3. Now we're going to start separating the feet a little bit, getting the weight 50-50. This is definitely a sort of pitch shot. 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And then we stretch it out, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Okay, and then finally to full swings, 11 o'clock with a full release this time. Okay, and so you work through sort of 10 of each, right, controlling the range of motion, the arm swing on both sides of the swing. Okay, and then in round 2, okay, we add a little bit of shoulder rotation. So practice it first. Okay, you can put something across your chest. Okay, let's go back to our 7 o'clock. So at 7 o'clock, we're going to turn somewhere around about 45 to 50 degrees, something like that. Okay, so it's going to be my 7 o'clock, my 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Okay, and so we go all the way through. There we go. And then we go the next one up, which would be 8 till 4. And so we go all the way through. Okay, and then you go back again to the first round. Okay, and then obviously try and put the two together. So match your shoulder turn with your arm swing. Okay, so driven by that rotation, okay, but controlled then by the arm swing. Driven by the rotation, controlled by the arm swing. Okay, that's a way of thinking about it. So let's go sort of 45, 50 degrees and 7 o'clock. Right, and you just keep going all the way through. Right, learn to control your range of motion. All right, not only to synchronize your swing, but also to give you all the shots and techniques that you need, okay, to cover any distance out there on the golf course.